Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have here the Demon Slayer Mugen Train card box, and you get this card design inside the card box. And for this card box, you do get 36 packs, and we have three designs with 12 pieces of packs each. We have here Tengen and Giyu, we have Giyu and Nesco. Like these packs are really nice, nicer than the Pokemon packs that I have opened. And we have here Tanjiro and Shinobu. And of course, we do have to shuffle these packs up. And what I know about these packs is that the hits are the SR and the SSR. The common ones are the rare cards. I'm not really sure if you do get a higher rarity one, but we will see. And for our first pack, we have Tengen, we have Tanjiro, another Tanjiro, we have Nesco, and an SSR Mitsuri. So not bad for our first pack. We do get the SSR already. And for our second pack, we have Rengoku, we have Tanjiro, we have an SR of Tanjiro, we have Giyu, we have Nesco. And so far, we got an SR, really nice SR of Tanjiro. So far for Demon Slayer, I have watched it all. I am waiting for a new season for the Demon Slayer. I love watching the Demon Slayer anime. And here we have an SR of Zenitsu. So far for our packs, we do get like one hit, like an SSR or an SR. And here we have Rengoku, we have Shinobu, we have Kanae, and an SR, we have Inosuke, like a couple of an SR, really unique. And on our next one, we have SR Obanai, we have Inosuke, we have SSR of Tanjiro and Nesco, we have here two hits in one pack, an SR and SSR. So far, so good. And here we have Kokoshibu, we have Shinobu, we have Tanjiro, we have Rengoku. Like this one is like a dad pack because it's all R, but still good. I really like the art style for this card packs. And it is in English. The ones on the side is in written in English, the explanations, and like some of the card boxes is in a Japanese or in a Chinese language originally. And we have here Tanjiro, we have Shinobu, we have Giyu, we have Gyomei, and like a deja vu card pack, we do get the same exact cards on the same pack. And of course, there would be a lot more of deja vu packs. And we have here Tanjiro, we have SR of Tengen, we have an SSR of Chibi Nesco, very cute. We have here Rengoku, here's the and here's another pack. We have an S-star of Obanai, we have Inosuke, we have another SSR of Nesco and Tanjiro, we have Giyu. Like this one I have pulled, but still very pretty cards. And here we have here Giyu, we have SR of Akaza, we have SSR of Tanjiro, we have Tengen and Zenitsu. And here's how they look together. And the next one, we have a Chibi Nesco, very cute. Then we have an SR Nesco, we have Obanai, and we have an SR of Tengen. So far, we have a lot of two hits in a pack. And some character designs do have a different kind of design. Like here in Nosuke, it's like three cards of Inosuke, but they have different kind of design. Gyome as well. Then we have here an SR of Tanjiro, Giyu, we have Nesco, we have Shinobu, and I really like this design of Tanjiro. Like you do get a lot of the main character Tanjiro and Nesco for this card box. And here's like a deja vu pack. Like I just have pulled like a lot of Tengen. Like really a lot of Tengen. And that's just how I feel, but we will see later. And we have here an SR of Tengen, we have SSR of Nesco and Rengoku. As you can see, there's Tengen again. How I wish I would not pull another Tengen with these four packs that I'll be opening next. Like we have Mitsuri, we have SR Obanai, we have an SR Mitsuri, and we have Giyu. And on our next one, we have an SR of Tanjiro, we have Nesco, we have Shinobu. Like this one also I have feel like I pulled a lot. And we have an SR of Abanai, Zenitsu, we have Tanjiro and Yoshiro. Really, really nice. Rare card. And another three packs. And we have Mitsuri, we have Nesco and another Nesco and Tanjiro. Like I felt a deja vu, especially on our next one. Like we have Gyome and another Gyome. And we have here Rengoku, Tanjiro, Giyu, and Nesco. And four packs again. And of course, I cannot cut all of them up once. So let's cut them one by one. And I'll be uploading short videos as well for this card box. And we got an SSR and SR. And on our next one, we have Akaza and SSR of Tanjiro and Tengen and Zenitsu. Like one of the few cards that I have pulled, I think so, is the SR Akaza, or maybe not. This is Akaza again. Then on our next pack, we have Shinobu, Mitsuri, and we have Giyu, we have Tanjiro, and let's open another four packs. And we have here Rengoku, Kanae, Shinobu, and Zenitsu. And we have Shinobu, Mitsuri, Giyu, Tanjiro. And we have here Shinobu, Nezuko, Tanjiro, Nezuko, Shinobu. And here's our last pack. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.